Hi everyone, Gagajoy, and I'm glad you dropped in today. It's a pretty day, cool, and spring has sprung and I'm so happy. Today we're going to do a little tortellini with mushrooms. It's for my grandson, great-grandson. He plays football, and so I was going to fix him something special after football today. And he likes pasta, so this is a cream pasta. You start off with your bacon, and after it cooks a little bit, we'll add mushrooms. Now I think our bacon is crispy enough to add a few things like our mushrooms. And I did wash these mushrooms. Man, was they dirty. If they were little and you really couldn't wipe them off. So I just washed them real good. Have you ever been to a mushroom farm? It's very interesting. We went to one in Hershey, Pennsylvania one time. Yeah, and it was very interesting. I enjoyed it. I got a pot over here when my other things get done. We'll start up our tortellini. I do love mushrooms that are fried real good. I didn't like mushrooms for a long time until I started frying them. I don't like a soggy mushroom, that's for sure. But now that I fry them, I love them. So if you don't like mushrooms, try fried mushrooms. Soak in too much. This is still one of those really quick dishes. Put a little bit of pepper in there. Just red pepper. Bring it up a notch. If you have attachments, don't touch them. If they'll come around themselves. So, keep our bacon and mushrooms going for about a few more minutes, and then we'll add our pasta. Now, we're going to make a little cream sauce for this. Here it is. I'm going to add a little bit of flour. Not a whole lot. Maybe a tablespoon. Got up my nose. Excuse me. Okay. Got a cup and a half of milk. Cream, I'm sorry. It's half and half cream. I feel like I'm going to sneeze again. sneeze again. Oh, that must have been that dry. Just a little salt and pepper. Moving right along. Let's put some little garlic in there, about 2 cloves of garlic. Well, my tortellini boiled 4 minutes. Getting ready to add it. Well, looks like it's pretty good enough cream to cover it, doesn't it? You don't want it soupy. Just cut us a little bit of thyme and chives and parsley. And of course we gotta have Parmesan cheese. That would be I guess a cup. It is this cup. Little Parmesan. Well, our tortellini is done. Get our cheese stirred up in it. Get a piece out with a little mushroom and everything. Okay. Keep it moist. Nice dish. I'm a pasta lover, as you know. That is just over the top. I mean, over the top. I feel like I was going to sneeze the whole time. Everything I love. Well, that's a winner. I don't have many winners, but that is a winner. Excuse me. That was a good way to end the day. Just waiting for my granddaughter and my great-grandson to come over, and we'll have a little salad and have our supper. Thank you for dropping by. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you try it. Take care of yourself. Remember the joy. And we'll see you soon.